Every single person that started online started at zero. It looked like this when they first got started. 0, 0, 0. Then they slowly started to collect followers, build a following, but it all started with this, a simple strategy. I call it the TOP strategy. That stands for traffic, getting traffic over to your offer and then adding people to an email list. Today, we want to focus on traffic, specifically search traffic. Coming up with an idea, and again, it doesn't matter. You have no followers. I get it. I've been there. The point, the thing that you need to do, the point that you need to get today is that you need to focus on search. And first and foremost, you need to pick a topic and you need to start creating content around that topic. So let's go back to Google because we're focused on search. One of the best things to start with is the keyword best, and then use what is called the alphabet method. Best A, B, best C. The idea here is you're just getting an idea. You're going through a process of ideation and you're thinking to yourself, what content can I create about? What topic can I start talking about? For example, best tools. And you can see here, best tools for project management. Best tools brand for mechanics, for homeowners, for weeding, for electricians, in Minecraft, for Father's Day, at Harbor Freight, for woodworking. Think about all these things that you can create. Don't think about the fact that you don't have any followers. Again, you know that we all started with zero. We all started at zero. We all start at zero. Everyone starts at zero. Then you build momentum, but it all starts with a simple strategy, and that simple strategy is search. Best tools for project management. Best tools for project management. Of course, you're going to see sponsored ads here. If people are spending money on a keyword, if they're putting their money into ads for you to see or for an audience to see that content, then you know that this is profitable. Of course, you can always take a look at the market size of project management. We're talking about billion-dollar markets. In 2021, this was a $6 billion market. It's expected to reach $15 billion by 2030. Let's go back to the search result. Best tools for project management. Go past the ads. Of course, you have the generative AI experiment here. This is experimental. You may or may not have access to that, but you're looking for popular project managed tools or popular project management tools because you're going to start creating helpful content around how to utilize these tools. Now, one thing that you can do, again, focused on search, is you can take the information that's already been created. Again, take the information that's there because you are starting at zero, you don't have any followers, and you're looking for ideas. Then you're going to go over to Google Ads. We're not running ads, we're coming up with ideas. We're going to discover those ideas via keywords. So we're going to click Discover New Ideas. We're going to start with a website, and we're going to start with that website that we found via search. Again, remember, we don't have any followers, but there are people out there creating content, and yes, we can compete with them. We're going to use that page and we're going to select Get Results. Once we have those results, we're going to scroll down a little bit here and you're going to see keywords by relevance. Again, remember, we're looking for project management software, and a great keyword to start with would be right here. Best free project management software. You can also see that the competition is medium, but it has a decent search volume. That means people are searching for the best free management software. So you are going to, yes, with no followers, start creating content utilizing this keyword around this topic. But what are you going to do next? Remember, you're looking for traffic starting with search. Best free project management software, Reddit for Mac for small teams. Here's a great one. Best free management software for Mac. Go ahead, hit search. Again, you're going to see the results. You're going to find a lot of different information here. Your job now is to learn about this software and then start creating content, understanding and knowing that you're starting with 0 followers. Now, competing on Google, even though this was a medium ranking when it came to competition, you're most definitely better off going to YouTube and putting this keyword into the search bar for YouTube, and then looking or drilling down even further. For example, best free management software for Mac. Now, drilling down to the best free project management software for Mac is great, but I want to keep it at a high level here, free project management software. And I want to scroll down and I want to show you a few of these videos. And even understand that if you take a look at these videos, don't compare the number of followers they had, because again, they all started at 0. Just where you are, you don't have any followers, but you can learn and you can do the things that you need to do to understand how to teach this software, and you can create content. And you can see here that this content, this video here that has 26,000 views over the last 2 years, is actually a faceless YouTube video. This is a YouTube video made where the person that created this software and grew this channel or created this channel demonstrating this software never shows their face, and they started with 0 followers. Again, I truly can't emphasize this enough. We all start at 0. We all start with 0 followers before we start building a following. And this all starts with a simple strategy that I call my top strategy. And it all starts with traffic over to an offer that we demonstrated here in this video. You saw how simple it is to find an offer and then start thinking about helping people, but ultimately adding people to an email list. But again, go back and start with traffic. That's search traffic. Go find a keyword. Go find content that's out there. Look for medium to low competition. Start creating content around those keywords. Most and foremost, focus. That's focus on being helpful, and the followers will come. This may seem super simplistic, but I promise you, this is the way everyone started when they first started with affiliate marketing and thought, would it be possible? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible for me to create content, helpful content that solves people's problems. They click on my link in the description. They head over, they check out the offer, they buy it, I earn a commission. If you'd like to know more about the strategy and see it in actual action, step by step, let me walk you through it. Go ahead and check out the video you see on the screen right now. Look forward to seeing that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.